Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric VTuber, and this is part 2 of a video series showing you guys how to create teleports so that you can move your character, your metahuman, or just your 3D character from location to location inside the Unreal Engine. Now, if you didn't watch the first video, I highly suggest you go back and watch that one. And the reason we're doing a part 2 is, well, candidly, I left out something super important in the first one, and that is how to get out of this camera. Sure, I can go to here and I can go to here, but in all of these cases, how do I get back to my third-person camera? And I didn't show you how to do that by creating a blueprint. And that's what this video is all about. It'll only take about a minute or two, so here we go. While I have you here, one of the things that I want to give you guys as a tip is to go full screen like you see like this. I hit F11 on my keyboard. And if I hit F11 again, it brings me back to, well, this environment. And this environment allows you to have the content browser on the bottom and your assets up here on the top right. And then when you select a particular asset, all your properties and details down below. But when I start the episodes, I like to hit F11, and that puts me in the full screen mode, and I hit play. All right, now let's go into the blueprint. So inside of the level blueprint, as we talked about in the first video, you need to make one more configuration. And that is this reset camera to the third-person camera. As you can see, it's a very simple one, but I'll take you through it just in case it's a learning opportunity. You right-click in the blueprint area, and you need to figure out what key you're going to use for resetting the camera. As you can see above, I'm using the numeric keypad 4, but this time I'll use the number 4 above the alphanumeric keypad. So I type key, and if I move down, you can see all the different keys, and when I see the number 4, boom, there we go. Next thing I need to do is create this set view target with blend. Right-click again, type in set view target, and remember, if you do not see the object that you're looking for, it's because it's context sensitive. Turn that off, and now you will see set view target with blend. Got 2 more nodes to do. You can see get player controller. Let's do that. And I really appreciate all the feedback that you guys gave me on the Discord channel and in your comments on my pacing and how I show you this and explaining. So I am going to do that one more time for those of you that just dove into this video. And that is what these nodes do. So this one's pretty obvious that when you press number 4, it will then go to this node. This node is saying, hey, you want me to put the view target somewhere else. Well, where do you want me to put it? And we need to say, well, I want you to use the player controller, and I want you to use the character as the new view target. So once you have set up those 4 nodes, you're all done. I like to always box everything and then right-click, create a comment, and say reset camera to third person. All right, and that is it. You can always grab the top bar. That will move all the nodes. We're all done. Let's hit compile. Let's hit save. And now we'll go ahead and click play. Let's recap real quick what we learned. So I can teleport now to several different locations. I can go to the front of the house. I can go into my content studio. I can go down to the yacht. And in any of these locations, if I type the number 4, I reset myself to the third-person camera. So let's pop back up. I'm right here, and if I hit 4, I reset myself to the third-person camera, and I'll run inside the house. Well, that is going to do it for this episode. I hope you guys learned a lot in this short 2-part tutorial series. If you didn't watch the first one, you definitely want to go back. And most importantly, please drop a comment. I respond to every comment you guys post. I love hearing about what you're learning, what you want to see next. And don't forget to join the Discord channel. There's a link in the description, and that's a great place where we can share ideas with one another and exchange help and advice. All right, catch you guys on the next episode. Take care.